So I know one of your programs is Youth for Safety, and the Philippines Christian Ministry Network over the years has kind of really led the way when it comes to ensuring children and young people are participating in your programs and having a leadership role. So, are you able to share a little bit more about the Youth for Safety program?
Yeah, it started in 2014 when we design a program for the youth. We believe in their capacity to engage us and also their peers to become a positive influence in the lives of children and young people. So from then on, we organize them nationally and also uh, regionally. There are now currently 9 chapters of the young people, and over 1,000 of them joined the Youth for Safety organization, which was organized by PCMN. It was organized because they have the right to participate in matters that in concerns and issues that matters to them most, and for every program that we are implementing, we are consulting them through focus group discussion and getting on what do they think about this uh, program that will be implemented. And they are part of shaping the programs of PCMN. Most currently, they became member of PCMN as an associate member because they are not registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC. We call it the SEC. It's the one that gives the certificate of registration for all organizations in the Philippines. Because they are young people, they form themselves, and we accept them as an entity, as like a separate group, as member association of PCMN, as an associate member, meaning they could already participate in the decision making in PCMN, uh, even though they are not organized. So that's how we put premium on the participation of the youth and children in the country.